So hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry, and today I'm going to show you guys and gals how to add a limiter to your microphone in OBS so you can scream all you want whenever you rage in games and not blow out your viewers' eardrums here. And what is a limiter? Well, to really show you guys what it is, I had to turn mine off here, okay? So for this next part of the video, turn your volume down a little bit here, okay? So 1 second here, going to go into my microphone settings, filters, and I'm going to highlight the limiter and turn it off now, okay? So just to show you guys what a limiter actually really does. Again, volume down here a little bit. I'm gonna talk loud now, so this way here, you can actually hear me getting louder, okay? So like right now, I just died in Modern Warfare Warzone in the new Blood Monies mode and everything, which used to be Pummel, and I hate it so bad when I die in that mode. I lose all of my money, and then my team gets mad at me, then they leave the game. It's so bad. And as you all could probably tell, that was pretty loud, right? But if I put on a limiter, like right here, I'm going to talk very loud again like this here, but I just got my whole team wiped out in the new BR mode now, and they're all mad at me. They're all screaming at me in voice chat. But as you can tell, though, I'm yelling too, and guess what? It's not as loud as it was a minute ago, okay? So how do you actually do that, folks? Well, look here. It's very simple here, okay? And right now, I'm going to show you how to do it. Unfortunately, I can't use my stream deck for this part here, so I got to do it the old-fashioned way. Monitor capture, ahoy! There we go, folks. So right here is my other instance of OBS Studio I have going on right here, okay? So to add a filter to a microphone, all you do is this here, folks. It's very simple here, okay? You want to click this little cogwheel right here, bring up filters, and as you can see, I already have a filter one here, but I'm going to go ahead and add it again just to show you guys and gals how to do this here, okay? Hit the plus sign, hit limiter 2, or name it whatever you want to, right? Make sure it's highlighted, and then you can go ahead, come in here and change this to wherever you want it to be limited at. So like right here, I always have mine set to about -15 decibels, but if you get very loud, you can take it all the way down here if you really want to. I don't recommend that because people won't be able to hear you, you know what I mean? So I'm going to take that right back up here to -15, hit close, and that's it, folks. You are done. But yeah, look, everybody, it's that simple to keep everybody's ears nice and safe from you raging on Call of Duty or Fortnite or Apex, whatever you might be playing, okay? I wish I would have known about this feature a lot sooner, and for all of my viewers on Twitch, I am so sorry. But folks, look, please, real quick, a little quick reminder here. Make sure you're washing your hands right now. I hate to do a little PSA right now, but I think we all need to be reminded right now that everything going on in the world right now is very, very scary. There's no doubt about that. Please make sure that you are social distancing. Please make sure you are washing your hands. Please make sure you are staying safe. And with all that being said, folks, I really hope this little quick tutorial here helped you all out there. And I will catch you all over at twitch.tv/hey, it's Terry. Have a wonderful day. See you around.